This is Beyond Real News.
Good evening, or whenever. I'm your host, John Beyond. I'll be bringing you unbelievable news you can't believe. This just in. Dogs have been granted the right to obtain driving licenses. The DMV introduces barcode IDs for accurate identification, but parallel parking remains a bone of contention. Scientists unveil a device that translates baby cries. The device has revealed a secret plan for world domination using a demanding nap time schedule and excessive diaper changes. Scientists have developed an invisible sauce that makes food disappear when applied. This creation lets people enjoy their favorite meals in secret, making late-night snacking effortless. A chef has launched a restaurant specializing in dishes with edible glitter. However, excessive sneezing and glittery smiles have emerged as common side effects. Researchers have discovered that mosquitoes have an aversion to disco music. Mosquitoes have staged a protest demanding a playlist of smooth jazz and gangster rap. That's it for now. Please subscribe to get your extremely factual news from Beyond Real News. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.